Hello, I'm Dr. Sundari Mase, Sonoma County's health officer, and I'm here to share the latest updates in coronavirus in Sonoma County with you. As of yesterday, June 23rd, we have 956 confirmed cases, up 21 cases in the last 24 hours. 437 are active, 514 have recovered. We still have the 5 deaths that we've reported, and now we've performed close to 45,000 coronavirus tests. The current rate of positive tests is 3.5%. Today, we're going to answer some community questions that we've received. Just to clarify a few really important areas. One question, can I have a wedding? Wedding ceremonies are allowed with some modifications. Those held at indoor venues may accommodate up to 100 people or 25% of the room capacity, whichever is fewer. Those held in an outdoor venue must provide adequate space for guests to maintain 6 feet of distance between each person. Now, this applies to wedding ceremonies. Wedding receptions are not yet permitted by the state based on the roadmap for reopening criteria. Second question, will youth sports be allowed? Contact sports are still not allowed except among members of the same household or living unit. In addition, tournaments and sporting events that attract spectators are prohibited. For all these reasons, youth sports are not allowed at this time. However, outdoor sports or recreation activities are permitted as long as it does not involve high-touch equipment, it does not involve contact among players who are not members of the same household, the group size does not exceed 12 people, and physical distancing, face covering, and hygiene guidance are followed. Third question, may children and families use public playgrounds now? Public playgrounds are high-touch areas and considered a high-risk activity for as many children use the same equipment where the virus can live for long periods of time. For this reason, public playgrounds are not open at this time. Next question, who should I contact if I see a violation to the health order? Please contact your local law enforcement agency's non-emergency line to report any violations of the local health order. Next question, I own a business. What steps should I take if I learn that an employee tests positive for COVID-19? You should contact Public Health Disease Control at 707-565-4566 immediately. Ask to speak with one of our public health nurses to report the exposure and to provide information about the employee's contact with other employees, clients, or customers. Public Health Disease Control will work with you to determine your level of risk, who must be interviewed, and who must be removed from the workplace and quarantined for 14 days from the date of the last exposure, whether or not they're showing symptoms. This process is undertaken with urgency, but still may take several days. This is the process of case interviewing and contact tracing. Be prepared to provide information to employees to support them while quarantined, such as sick and medical leave, workers' compensation, and unemployment resources and process, and what to do when they are ready to return to work. The disease control program will let you know when employees may return to work. We know these changes are difficult, but we all need to work together to flatten the curve or continue to flatten the curve. The pandemic is not over. We've seen 182 new cases in the last week. Okay, thanks for joining me today. Please continue to take care of yourselves and stay healthy. We'll talk again on Friday.